Strong comes with a built-in warm-up calculator. This tool, when selected, will automatically add warm-up sets to the start of your exercises, all while automatically calculating your weights based on a percentage of your working weight. To set up this calculator, proceed to your Profile tab. Tap the cogwheel at the top left corner of your screen. Then tap Warmup Calculator. You can choose one of 4 options: Default, with empty bar, Alternative, or Custom. The first 3 options are fixed, while Custom allows you to create your own. If you select the default option, this option will automatically add 3 sets at 40, 60, and 80% of your working weight for 5, 5, and 3 reps, when you choose to do so in your workout, of course. The next 2 options are self-explanatory. Let's select the Custom option to make our own. You can add or reduce the amount of warm-up sets by tapping the plus or minus symbols at the top right corner. By tapping on the set, you will be able to set which percentage of your working weight and for how many reps for each individual set. Once complete, tap back. You can also add a plate rounding tolerance, so you do not need to do this yourself. Choose from half a pound, 5, 10, or 20 pounds. Now that your warm-up calculator is all set up, let's see how it works during a workout. Tap back, then the X to return to your Profile tab. Let's start a new workout session. To add warm-up sets to any exercise, select the 3 dots beside the exercise name. Then add warm-up sets. The app will give you a preview of the sets to add. Tap Insert, repeat as desired. Strong also has a built-in plate calculator. What this does, it will tell you which and how many plates to put on either side of the bar. When on a set, select the weight on any set. In this case, 115 pounds is what we are going for. On the number pad, select this symbol. The calculator now tells you to place one 35-pound plate on either side of a 45-pound bar. Don't have 35-pound plates? No problem. Tap the 35 on the calculator to indicate no stock. In turn, you will be given an alternative: 125-pound and 10-pound plate on either side of a 45-pound bar. Again, adds up to 115. Not using a 45-pound bar, but a 33-pound bar? No problem. Tap and select the correct bar, and the calculator will recalculate once again.